Krylon Industrial supports the utility locating industry. We are actively involved with leading industry initiatives and organizations. We understand the needs of the utility locator, and we are always looking for ways to help you be more efficient and productive in your job. We want to know how we're doing so we can continue to develop the products and the services you need. At the 2010 International Utility Locate Rodeo, we asked some of the top locators in the country what they thought of Krylon Industrial.
The paint we currently use is Krylon.
We're currently using the Krylon.
We use Krylon.
Currently, STS is using Krylon paint.
Krylon paint.
Krylon.
Krylon.
We currently use Rainbow. I don't have that much to say about Rainbow.
We currently use Krylon Industrial.
Krylon.
The paint that we currently use is Airvo. it does okay. I mean, it's just paint.
Compared to Airvo, and I've used Airvo paints before, I still think Krylon is a lot better than the Airvo paint. In terms of the consistency of the paint when we're using it in the streets, again, it doesn't clog, and I think overall it's just a better product.
We currently use Krylon paint. We've been using it for 9 years. So what we started with, and it works great, so we haven't went to another brand. A couple things I like best about Krylon paint is the durability of it. It sprays even, it lasts a long time. The colors are true.
Things I like best about Krylon Industrial, definitely the color quality. It lasts a long time. We have a lot of weather issues in my area, rain and sun and stuff, and it just seems to outperform, the competitive paint out there by a long shot. I mean, and you got to have those marks down. Somebody's paying you good money to put that stuff down, and they want it to be down for a few weeks, not just a couple of days.
Yeah, the thing I like best about Krylon paint is the longevity of it, and it works well in all kinds of weather, cold, as well as real hot, and we don't have a lot of clogging. We feel like we get the full benefit of the entire can of paint.
It's very consistent, whether it be hot or cold. It always comes out great. We don't have to waste a lot of time mixing it. It's spray and go.
Some of the things that I like about Krylon is definitely the long lasting. We use the blue, lasts forever. The red's nice and bright. Orange also, great. Just all around great product.
Some of the things I like best about Krylon is it's very bright colored paint. It's very visible when you put it on the ground, and it's pretty smooth when you use it.
I just tried the Krylon Industrial paint, and I like it. I mean, it comes out nice and smooth. It looks as if it will make a mark in one pass, and not have to go back over it.
It's consistent. It puts out a lot of paint in one spraying. That would keep you from having to go over certain spots. I think it's a good paint.
Some of the things I like about Krylon paint, the top of the paint can doesn't have the pull tab. That's just more work. The paint doesn't stick, it doesn't clog. The colors are very vivid, bright, so most contractors can see them. They last a long time in the field.
as opposed to other paint?
The thing I like best about Krylon is the consistency of the spray throughout the whole can.
I like the color of it. I like how it stays. I like that I don't have to go back and forth, you know, and reapply, that it stays and holds, and that's important to a locator.
It had a good flow to it whenever you use the trigger, and it sprayed out real well. I noticed it didn't clog up any, and it done real good.
At Krylon Industrial, we understand the importance of a locator's job and the people that depend on what you do every day. We know what locators need, and we're always looking for ways to improve our products to help you get the job done. We are committed to the utility locating industry and the organizations that support the industry. Krylon Industrial, we are here for you every day to help you make your mark.